Hello guys and welcome back to Salty Tales.
Welcome back.
Today we have something different for you guys, something that you guys have been requesting and something to bring you good luck on the new year. Fish.
No, it's not. What? Fish, not fish.
Whatever.
Say
Fish.
that.
This beautiful snapper we have here, we just bought on the market. I didn't fish it. The weather is awful. So let's go for it, guys. You might learn something new today. As always, I'm gonna be filming. Miss Ninja is gonna be cooking. The other ninja is gonna be doing everything else. Let's go for it.
Let's go. Well, guys, I'm feeling way better. Thank you so much for all the good thoughts out there. But now, as always, we're gonna preheat our Ninja. So let's go ahead and set it up. Bacon roast, 5 minutes. We'll see you back in 5 minutes. For our fish today, we have all our ingredients here. And all we need is cilantro, half an onion, 2 garlic cloves, butter, all base seasoning, and salt and pepper. Okay, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna have to cut the tail because we only have a 9 inches space in our Ninja. Now we're gonna start stuffing our fish inside. The first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use some butter and we're gonna rub the butter all over our fish inside. Then the next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna use the all base seasoning, which is really good for the fish. Then we're gonna put some garlic. Then we're gonna put some onions. See, it's like a little pocket. I'll put all the onions in here. And then we're gonna put some cilantro. I like to make some cuts outside the fish so I can get all the seasoning. Just made a few cuts like this. See? So you can get all the seasoning in there. Once again, let's use our all base seasoning. Let's turn our fish on the other side. Let's make a few cuts. Not too deep, just a little bit on the top. Let's put our seasoning. Let's put some fresh pepper and a little bit of salt. So now let's get our aluminum foil and let's wrap our beautiful fish so we can get it in our Ninja. Okay, now we just set up our fish on a piece of aluminum foil, and I also cut some slices of lemon, lime, whatever you want to call them. We call this lemon, you guys call them lime. So I cut some slices of them. I'm gonna do it in both sides. Just lay my fish on a bed of the lemons. I'm not gonna put them inside. If you want to put them inside, go ahead and do it. So let's go ahead and wrap our fish. And that's it. We're gonna go ahead and set it up in our Ninja. We have our fish ready here in our aluminum foil. We're gonna go ahead and set up our trivet inside our Ninja, which is being preheated previously. We're gonna go ahead and set up our trivet. Now we're gonna go ahead and set up our fish. Be careful because the Ninja is being preheated. So now what we're gonna do is set up our Ninja, bake 400 for 20 minutes. We'll see you back in 20 minutes. Our 20 minutes has passed by, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna open up the foil and set it up for another extra 5 minutes to get that crispy color on it. Bake And 5 more minutes. We'll see you right back in 5 minutes. Our 5 minutes has passed by, so let's get it out for the best part.
The fish is done. Smells awesome.
Fish!
This is too much, bro. I had to deal with you guys on YouTube. I had to deal with this woman over here. I had to deal with my daughter.
Fish. Whatever. It looks gorgeous.
Man, I'm dying to give it a try because I'm a fish lover.
Yeah, he's a fish lover.
Did I say it right?
No.
Oh, you're getting the good part.
Yes. I love it.
Man.
Look at this, how tender.
Ooh, that's a big bone.
And it looks so moist. That's what I love about it.
Of course, I'm gonna put some lemon on it.
I'm ready.
We're drinking Panamanian beer today.
Oh my gosh.
Imported from Panama. Let me give it a good try.
Try. Be careful. Be careful when you eat fish. Be very careful.
Oh wow.
Exactly. Oh wow. Never done it.
I found a bun.
In the Ninja FOODI. Always make it in the oven. And it turned out really,
this thing is
really
real good. And in the beginning I said that eating fish in the beginning of the year is good for good luck. It truly is. Believe it or not, a lot of people is really superstitious.
Yes.
And we have a lot of superstitions about the New Year's stuff, as you can imagine. And fish, if you eat fish, you are supposed to have a healthy year.
And very fruitful. And lots of money, honey. Lots of money.
That's the whole idea about eating fish in the beginning of the year, the first day of the year.
Listen, I have an idea.
What?
Why don't we ask them to tell us what is their tradition in New Year's? I have a couple of them. They're so funny.
What is your New Year's superstition?
Oh my gosh. We used to do in Panama back home. You get your luggage and you put them in the middle of the street and you sit on top of your luggage. And when it hits 12 o'clock, it's because next year you're going to travel all over the world.
Really?
And then...
in Cuba, what we do is we throw a bucket of water out from the main door. And that is to clean everything bad and just leave the good things inside.
Oh, and the coconut? Did you guys used to do the coconut? You get a coconut and you crack the coconut and you pour the coconut water all over your house.
I'll do that one day here.
Right?
So you can clean it.
No, and that's the thing. And then you hide the coconut behind a door. That's also for good luck, wealth, everything. I mean, we had so many.
And if you want to get married, you have to wear yellow. Is
Yellow
underwear.
A yellow.
So tell us, what is the superstitions on your place,
Yes.
wherever you grew up, here in US or wherever you are. It's a lot of fun, and tell us if you do it. Because we're doing the fish right now. We eat 12 grapes at midnight.
A plate of lentils.
Lentils
At midnight.
is a good thing too. It brings money and good stuff.
Yeah.
Well, we got to the point that I had to rate this fish.
Yes.
And I can tell you this. Let me try again. that lemon flavor, that inside is so good. You can feel all the spices that we use. I think we cut a little more onions than what we really needed, but you can feel the onions in there, you can feel the garlic in there, and the lemon is the one that you can feel the most. So I can say that this thing was a success. This thing is awesome. This thing is little brother. Yay! Hello, Mr. Georgie. You can say hello. Hello.
Oh, Yo-Yo.
Right. Go to your bed. There is a lot of good stuff that are coming up next year. We have a huge list of things to do and things that you guys have requested. So keep tuned, you know, there's a lot of more stuff coming up. There's a lot of things that we can do in the Ninja, and we're going to keep going for you guys. Right. Remember that our social media links are down there in the description, as well as the recipe for the fish. Pretty much everything that we use is down there on the description. So that's it for today, guys. If you like it, please hit us with a like.
Yes.
If you want to see more videos about the things that we do with the Ninja FOODI and with the other crazy things we do, please subscribe to the channel. And whatever you have in mind, whatever question you have, whatever you have to say, if you give it a try, whatever you have to say, put it down there in the comments, guys. We read all the comments and we answer pretty much all the comments.
Happy New Year and the
Happy
best
New Year!
for all of you guys. Happy New Year!
Happy New Year! Happy New Year too? Happy New Year from Mr. Georgie too. Love you.
We love you.